Okay, all right. We still got so much, and we got so much things to do with so little time. Una,
Yes.
beautiful voice.
Thank you very
Beautiful
much.
song.
Long time it's recorded, but now like my brother Gramps, my nephews, they're all like, Auntie, it's time now. And my brother Peter that rests in Zion, I know that he's saying, no, mama, no, it's the time.
But you know what is amazing? Amongst all these brothers, that beautiful voice comes out there like an angel. And
Thank you.
I say this all the time, a hit is not a hit until the whole world's hear it. So if you had this put on all the time, it's time for the entire world to hear it. And we're going to keep listening.
You sound like Gramps.
Yeah, a hit ain't a hit. A hit ain't a hit till the whole world hear it, right, Tarok? You understand? So it's that.
Thank
So
you for saying that, brother.
yeah, man. You see, but I wish I could have had you guys here so much time. I want you to introduce Mr. Song, cause
Yeah, man. Well, as you heard, we bringing you new music with a fresh energy, fresh. Like even I want eventually after we go to here, we want to make sure you have the recent Morgan Heritage album called Homeland, which is a mix with Afrobeat dancehall. People like Shaggy, Beanie Man on the same record, never done before.
Right.
People like Popcorn on the record with Morgan Heritage. So there's so many songs. Fela Kuti,
Ooh, nice.
Bounty Killer,
Grandson.
Baby Sham,
Nice,
Stone Boy,
nice.
Shatta Wale. Like
how much songs on this album?
it's called the Homeland.
What, 40, 50 songs? Because you call about 40 artists there just now.
22,
You realize you
something like
called 40 artists there just now.
No, about 7.
No, 7 no, man.
So
You say
as
Shaggy
we
Bounty.
give the catalog, brother,
Right.
we want to show you that the next generation, of course, we got the young R&B sensation, the reggae R&B sensation, my son Priel back here.
Right,
We're going to introduce him to you for the first time, but I'm going to let his big brother do that. But Jamiri in the studio now with Damian Marley working on his new album. Album is dropping in August, an incredible album, and I think it's going to be something special. We just broke news right here. We just broke protocol.
You hear that?
But my head hot this morning. We're doing some fresh music.
Yeah.
And the catalog is there. I want people to know say music is still being made. Because a lot of times you see people at the airport and them say, yo, when we going to get some new music? Well, Tropics FM 105.5 is in charge this morning. I get new music.
Your favorite uncle getting it all.
Yeah.
And you know what I do enjoy about the way I do it?
Yeah.
Sometimes you're looking for something and then I'm saying, but why am I looking for all of this?
And you have it.
Apple Music streaming, Tidal is streaming.
Talk to me
You
now,
understand?
brother.
So I have
Them days they
that.
don't
All you
talk
got to
about-
do is send me a message and say, look, find that. And it there.
Me like
You
you,
understand?
Bridget.
I ain't gonna time to the end.
Yo.
I prefer
Yeah,
because
sometimes
myself.
the
Go ahead.
radio personalities, they make excuses that they can't find the music.
No,
and
no,
I think what's inspiring for us seeing you, Uncle, is your ability to use modern day technology that's available to everyone to be able to rise to the occasion and make something special out of this interview, and not just, like you say, a question and answer, but what is new? Audio wise, because you guys are musical performers, right?
Yes.
So we applaud you for that and your
Respect,
initiative.
And I want to hear
your
the
diligence.
best quality music.
Yeah,
so I don't want to download nothing off of YouTube. I'm gonna stream it.
Yes,
I'm gonna pay my subscription and I'm gonna get
God.
my stuff
40
right.
million songs.
Yeah, where I can go anywhere.
Right.
You understand? I want to be that DJ that when I walk into a party, at a party, and somebody say, "Listen, I want that."
Yes.
I got you.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah. Listen,
No,
you hear that? You hear that new Una? I got it.
You know when them say I didn't
real.
get it or I don't have it, you know that's another way of saying I don't want to play it.
Right. Because as it
Yeah.
is, I love to say this. I've been working in radio for 40 years, since I was 18 years old.
Big up yourself.
I've been singing. The first song I ever did, recorded at 9 years old, was a song that I heard called Mind Blowing Decision. So I take it very personally. I take the plagiarism personally. I take the downloading personally, because it
You're
costs
an artist
money to
yourself.
do what we do.
You understand?
You understand? So when for me, it's ultimately stealing.
Yes.
Nah, man, pay your subscription.
Yes.
Get your stuff.
Yes, man.
Get what you want. Get what you need, so you can be able to play what you want.
No
it's
bacchanal about you.
It's 10 o'clock, and I need to play this song.
Yeah, man.
I have to play this song.
Yeah.
This is the song. The biggest one is true ever in history. Fuck it down.
May the words of your mouth and the meditation be clear. Because the heart of the battle is sweeter your victory.
listen, I'm so sorry that you guys gonna have to go because the next station.
Big up management.
I could stay in here. I could stay in here all morning.
day.
You understand?
Drop
but like
it.
they say, I got people to do and things to see, and I got works to go on. Listen.
The Blazing. Jamiri Maga.
Listen.
Talk to them.
Yeah, man, say, man, big up, Tropics FM, whole massive.
Listen, all I can say is listen because it's like
Prince.
it's like
Call him
right now
Prince.
I'm listening to your tone
Yeah.
and I'm hearing your uncle big.
Give thanks,
I'm
man.
hearing your uncle.
Yes.
This is like it's like, yo, listen, I don't even know what to say because I'm there's one of my favorite songs from Peter, right? Because you know me, I'm a ladies man still, so I am looking for my own personal Makeda. Yeah, I understand. So when I play that song, I'd say, hey, listen, baby girl, check this scene here, right? Look, be my Makeda. You understand? So, and then I'm hearing this and yeah, this Makeda, but the lyrical energy that I love about Morgan Heritage is the conscious part of the music because a lot of time we walk around in a world that is so chaotic, a world that is so crazy, so many young people that not understanding. I can't say understand. I have to say overstanding what is really happening. You understand? And when you hear this kind of music, because my program is based on this, I got kids that listen to me every day. You understand? So what comes out of the artist's mouth generates through our generation of children.
Absolutely.
So when we hear this and it's positive and it's loving and it's caring and we hear Una, we hear yourself and we hear it is wonderful.
Positivity.
Positive. So
Tomorrow night.
And you can be sure that, big up to the entire family, because there's enough other artists in the family where you say Morgan Heritage children, we make sure we do our best to raise them, that when you hear a song like this, it's a reflection on what our father set in a way, for know, say, read your Bible, love Christ, understand your Bible from Genesis to Revelation. So you can hear a couple love songs, but it will always be in the order of like, you say you play a song named Makeda. So we want to pray the next generation say, just touch and say hello to Saint Martin.
Come on.
Big up St. Martin, big up Tropics FM, it's Superior Morgan, next generation of Morgan Heritage.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
So
yes.
you get the fullness. You can't say you never hear, you never talk
Nah,
prayer. So when you see him on TV, come
Yeah.
here, Sam,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
talk to
no.
him real quick.
yeah, you understand. So with that, but thank you so much. St. Martin is looking forward.
And let
to
me
seeing
just say one thing before we leave. We're excited about tomorrow. And big respect to the producers of the show and the people in the head office that's listening. Thank you so much for this extra time
Big
because it's
time.
important
Thank
for us to
you.
come talk with our uncle, a man that's been in the business and been supporting the Morgan Heritage family. So tomorrow night, Uncle's gonna be on stage.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna be on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the
Come
stage
through.
right now,
Get to the
Grammy
tickets now.
Award winning
Cool now.
band, artist, lover of the people, Morgan.
You ready?
From the hills of St. Thomas, Jamaica. Remember that.
I gotta write that down. I won't forget it or say it. I won't forget it or say it differently. Thank you so much,
Uncle.
Grams, Una,
Say a word.
the entire Heritage family,
Blessed
Love
love
Alone. Thank you so much for coming through. Hear the voice, hear the sound, hear the thing. For real. Take it away. Are you heard thing?
The great unknown. Check it. You pull me out of the deepest waters. The great unknown where men shall fall asunder. And there I heard your voice, angels surround me. In water so deep, my faith will stand complete. Your grace abounds and pounds in deepest waters. Never wonder, I see how I may fail if it surrounds me. I know you won't stop now, you never fail me. Keep my head above the waters. Keep me strong so I don't falter. In the presence of my Savior. Spirit lead me, yeah. Never giving up hope, we fighting to survive. Spirit lead me. Head held high.
Pull it up. Run it back, Tropics 105.5 St. Martin, world premiere, Mucho Morgan. Run it, the DJ. Hook it from the top.
This one is called Spirit. You ever feeling down? Looking for inspiration? The great unknown. We'll figure it out.
Let's get
It's just a journey, y'all. Check it. Listen, you pull me out of the deepest waters. The great unknown where men shall fall asunder. And there I heard your voice, angel surrounds me. In water so deep, my faith will stand complete. Your grace abounds in pounds in deepest waters. Your hands will guide me like we never wander. I see how I may fail if it surrounds me. I know you won't stop now, you never fail me.
Ease out. And I think I'll karaoke this. Now karaoke. Tomorrow night, getting the tickets. Yeah. All new Morgan Heritage. Big up Yassi Dread. Tropics. Yo, Dready, run it, come on. Listen.
Reparations, justice must come. Africa and the Caribbean as one. Not charity, but exposing them both. Restitution for the labor and the gold. Across the ocean, torn from the land. Chains on the feet, whip in the hand. But your light carried us through the storm. Now a new day. This is the song. The biggest shooter ever in history. Get down. Calling for reparation. Reparations. Justice must come. Africa and the Caribbean as one. Not charity, but exposing them both. Restitution for the labor and the gold. Across the ocean, torn from the land. Chains on the feet, whip in the hand. But your light carried us through the storm. Now a new day of justice is born. Reparations, justice must come. Africa and the Caribbean as one. Not charity, but truth to be told. Restitution for the labor and the gold. They plundered. Restitution. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, one big up the Prime Minister of Antigua when I got the phone call to make this one. But you know, certain man educated and know them history and not to dread. You see, and the man called me and say, yo, a song about reparations, cause the message of the Rasta man for a long time has been reparations, repatriation, Africa. So when him come and say, yo, I have a song, him link when we were on tour and was able to record the song. So the song means a lot, especially in these times, especially after the statement by the president of Ghana at the United Nations.
Yes.
That come and said, yeah, it's time for we to have that conversations. And we say to the white and the black man, we've all been through pain.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm getting goosebumps because
Yeah, man.
it's listening to it for the first time, and because this is the first time I'm hearing it.
True, no,
You
man.
understand? I am that type of person. The favorite uncle. I like to prep and prepare because
Yes.
go all the way back to Morgan Heritage
Yes.
from jump.
Yes.
You understand? I am going to personally, so I'm so happy that you're here.
Yeah, man.
But I am going to personally give condolences to the entire
We
family on the
appreciate
loss
that.
of your
Thank you, sir.
brother.
Peter Morgan
You
forever.
understand?
It's our first time.
I mean,
It's our first time being here
there
since
is
that,
no,
yeah.
there is no way I can, because I just lost someone as well, so I know how it is as a
condolences,
family
man.
member to lose
Yes.
a brother that you love, that you were raised with, that the world
absolutely.
loved.
Yeah, he was a brother, he was a business partner and a bandmate.
And a
Band me.
So,
So
yeah.
it's
our
Yeah.
lead singer.
yes,
You know?
yes. So I am so happy to be here and be
Thank
able
you,
to say
Uncle.
my condolences from the entire world, because my program is listened to globally. I mean,
Big them
from
all
the
up.
US, from in Ghana. Right now, Center Ghana is listening because there's a place in Ghana called Sunshine Cafe
Yes.
that is logged in
Big up Sunshine Cafe.
all day, every day.
Yeah.
So again, my heartfelt condolences.
Thank you.
And we want you know that we're happy to be here because it took us a while to get our strength together. When you did and hear our sister Una crying as the only female in Morgan Heritage,
Right.
and we hear the weakness in our brother Luke's voice. Me run gone to the Philippines, Mojo Dep on the farm, I plant pumpkin, and we're just trying to stay busy.
Stay busy, stay
And then
grounded.
you see Jamiri now
Grounded, yeah.
as the young youth, the next generation, pondering, I go on, we got to get it together, because,
Right.
and we want to big up to all of the people in the music industry that has been so supportive and where the energy of the pain and the healing, people like the Marley family,
Right,
very
right.
instrumental, Shaggy, Buju Banton, Popcorn, Mojo and Popcorn became like like
peas in
Mojo
a
and-
pod.
like two brothers from two different walk of life, and he's a
right.
St. Thomas native, and we really, Una was spending some time with me in Nashville, so it took time for us to heal. So
Right,
when you hear these new songs coming, it's an energy.
And that's what I was happy about, because I'm sitting in here and I'm like, yo,
Wait me, I go play now.
what I'm gonna play now?
Let me go dig in my box from 25 years
You understand what I'm saying?
I blew off some dust.
Yeah, you understand? So I'm looking at them, and then the lady walks in, and I'm like, yo, why didn't I get it yesterday?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Because I love to prepare for my artists, because like I said,
But you're doing
I love
great.
to have a conversation.
Yeah, kill it, man.
You
I
understand?
love
I
it.
love to have a this is not a question and answer on what you've been doing, and I know what you've been doing.
Yes.
You understand? You've been surviving, and you've been missing. And I guess he was one of the babies, right?
Yeah.
Right. So I
In the
He was in the middle.
he was in the middle.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it is that.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? So once again, man, for the entire nation
Yeah,
of
man.
St. Martin,
Big up to Wendy
St.
Morgan
Station,
for making
Anguilla,
this
everywhere.
happen, because
My condolences to you.
when
and the
she and
family.
Mojo get on the phone and to work it out, and big up to the promoter, because it's not easy to move Morgan Heritage.
Huh.
We've done so much music and
And everybody everywhere, because everybody have their own life and everybody doing their own thing.
Yeah,
So when the time comes together, you
it's
understand?
like, okay, I
it is
forget
a
this
work.
person,
You understand? I got
Jamiri's in the
call.
studio working
you get
on
up in the
this
morning and
album.
say, where is Una? I think she in England somewhere, but I got to call her.
Yeah.
And this one is in New York, and I have to
Yeah.
call him.
Yeah.
So I understand it. I
Yeah,
understand. So
so-
we are thankful that you are here.
Oh, we're
man.
grateful.
We are
We're grateful, man.
Very, and I am one of those individuals that when I love something, I don't stop playing it.
Yes.
So when I put a Morgan Heritage, if I'm in a mood, I do something called essentials.
Yes.
And when I do an essential Morgan Heritage, I can't stop, because every time I'm gonna pull a picture, I'm gonna pull a gram.
Grams, yeah.
Now that Una has something, I'm gonna pull Una. I could be here all day. So I just ask. It is amazing to. This band can't do an hour.
No.
At all. You understand?
To
An
be
hour and
clear.
15 minutes is not enough.
No.
Because then we sitting down and we saying, no, but this ain't fair.
Yeah, to be
because I
clear.
ain't hear this and I ain't hear that, and I wanted to hear this, but why they ain't sing that? So I just suggest
To be clear, Tropics FM, the catalog of Morgan. We're not even talking Jamiri Morgan. Right? We're not talking my son Priel. We're not talking about Eshtemo. We're not talking about the next generation. Just Morgan Heritage alone, it's over 1,000 songs. If you play Morgan Heritage catalog here,
if I go through my besides, yeah, it's a whole thing with me. You know what I'm saying? So and like I said, I am a fan of music. I've always been. So when I'm listening to that, and what I said, I was explaining to someone yesterday, and I said, listen, it's word, sound, and power. You get the music, you put the words to it, and it creates a powerful energy.
Yeah.
And Morgan Heritage has always done that. But before we do that, we have the one lady here in the building.
Yes.
Let's run a tune for the world to hear.
Well, listen, let me introduce the one.
You know he's my brother, right?
I forgive on the depths. This is a world premiere. This song was recorded many years ago. Well, he's up DJ. I want him to Tropics FM 105.5 FM world premiere. Listen, this is Una Morgan. Never heard before. I'm sure you guys have never heard this before. It's called Giving Car. People's like, when is Una gonna do a solo album? We've been doing solo projects. Mojo been doing $1 Million Check from, he had Damian Marley on the remix of $1 Million Check on Stephen Marley and Wycliffe Jean.
Yeah.
So we've been doing projects. So when you hear these songs, nothing has changed. The formula still remains, and Jamiri is now jumping on records and doing some new songs and still representing that voice, that tenor voice.
Right,
But Morgan
right.
is till the year 3000. So here you are for the first time. This one is called Giving, produced by Link. You know, true, you know?
Yes, produced by Link.
So this one is called Giving. Yes, world
it.
premiere. Listen to
Enjoy
it.
it.
The biggest shooter ever in history.
This is Una on the track one time. This one is for my ladies, my sisters, my mamas, my girls. Come on, y'all. All we have ever asked for is love, trust, and compassion. How missing through hell and back, still we hold on, giving. Love me, hold me. This is what I know. This one is for my ladies, my sisters, my mamas, my girls. Come on, y'all.
It's like it's raining from my radio when I listen to Uncle Shaz. I get so wet.
Trust and compassion. How missing.